In this video, I'll teach you how to make your own sound in TikTok application. So first you need to have a video or source video that you would like to use. For example, a video clip with your voiceover. Okay, so how are we going to do this? First, go and open TikTok application here. And then for sure you need to log in with your account. So here we must upload a video. So click on the plus button here and now choose upload and go for video and choose any video that you would like to upload as a sample. So let's go, for example, for this video here. Now click on next and okay, just go okay. And here let's call it any name. Let's call it, I don't know, AW, for example, and click on post and just wait until the video got posted on TikTok. Okay, so let's go and click on me here. The video is being uploaded. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna close TikTok and we're gonna open the app once again. So let's go and open TikTok once again. Now click on profile here, and here click on the video. And as you can see, click on the music sound down to the right corner here. So we got our sound here on TikTok. We can change the name even by clicking on this button. Let's call it, I don't know, AWS. I don't know why, but just for example, click and save. Also, we can add the video to our favorite and we can use the sound even for multiple videos. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video was helpful, and thanks for watching.